Hi everyone! Is your Redmi 17C running slow, lagging, or freezing during everyday use? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you how to make Redmi 17C faster, how to fix lag issues, and how to improve overall performance on both Redmi 17C. We'll go through the best settings, hidden options, and simple optimization tips that can help speed up your phone without installing extra apps. Whether your phone lags while gaming, opening apps, scrolling, or multitasking, these methods can make a noticeable difference. Let's get started.